if you'd like to see how I made this beautiful Sazon chicken with sauteed onions and fresh garlic over jasmine rice, then stay tuned. You're going to start off by sauteing one very large onion, cut thin, in some butter, and then you're going to add some thyme. I usually have fresh thyme on hand, but I don't, so I'm using dried thyme. And you just want to put a little, and you want to saute these down until they're very caramelized. So that's step one. And just about when all of your onions are fully caramelized, I have a whole bunch of fresh chopped garlic here that we're just going to mix in. I'm actually going to put a little bit more. We like a lot of garlic in this house. So our next step is I took the skin off of some chicken thighs and also washed the chicken very well. I do save my skin and freeze it because when I fill up this bag with all skin, chicken skin, I will be making homemade schmaltz with it, and you'll get to see that video when I do it. I use that when I do my dumplings for my chicken and dumplings, or when I make my matzo balls for matzo ball soup. So right now on the chicken, I am just going to be putting some Sazon. I absolutely love this seasoning. In my casserole dish here, I added 1 can of cream of chicken soup and only a quarter of a can of water with it. And we're just going to whisk that in like so. The next thing to do is to add your chicken. Now, if you had to cook for a big family, of course, you can use a big, gigantic casserole dish like a lasagna pan. So we're just going to place that in. I'm actually going to add some fresh cracked black pepper on top of the Goya Sazon. And this is what I used. I absolutely love this seasoning. If you never tried it before, you really need to go get you some. It's down almost every single international aisle in the supermarket. You guys, this chicken comes out so moist and delicious. I'm running out of pepper here. Now we are just going to place our beautifully cooked onions and garlic. The fresh chopped garlic. You don't want to use garlic powder in this. And we're just going to place it all over the chicken. Like so. We're going to cover this with some foil, and we're going to bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes on 325 degrees. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to plate it up. All right, so I ended up cooking this for 1 hour at 325, and then I left it in for another 18 minutes on 375, and look at it. Perfectly cooked. It's just gonna fall apart and melt in your mouth. So delicious. And we're gonna plate this up in about a minute. I'm just gonna let this rest for a second. It's beautiful jasmine rice here, and we're just going to take our chicken and place it right on top. We have some nice fresh cooked broccoli. Just put some of that sauce. Absolutely delicious, you guys. You have to try this. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I made. Look at that. I wish this was smell-o-vision because it smells delicious. Everybody have a great day. Be safe. and subscribe so that you could see more recipes coming up soon.